Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching Furutech. In last video we have installed the pixys OS Android 14 based beta to build. If you didn't watch that video, then please check the video description, its link is available there. In my opinion, it's better than the Nothing OS 2.5 beta to test builds. But we all super users are waiting for Orange Fox or TWRP recovery for our Nothing Phone 1, which is not available from the last 1 year. We got everything like custom ROMs, mods, but still we all are missing TWRP or any kind of recovery, which is very helpful to recover our device when something goes wrong. Recovery has many options to take the backup of your device. You can flash any kinds of mods using the recovery and you can do many more things. Finally, the Orange Fox recovery has been made available by the developers and it's working on any Nothing OS stock ROM or any Android 13 or 14 based custom ROMs. So today in this video, we will see how you can flash this Orange Fox recovery. We will see what features this recovery offers, and at the last I have shown how you can flash any kind of custom ROM or any mod using this recovery. So watch the video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
Before flashing the Orange Fox recovery, you need to meet some requirements like your device must be on any Nothing OS version or any custom ROM with the unlocked bootloader and USB debugging enabled under the developer setting. If you still didn't unlock your device, then please check the video link given under the video description to unlock the bootloader of your Nothing Phone 1. Now connect phone to the PC to boot it into the bootloader mode using the ADB method, or you can use advanced reboot option to boot into the bootloader if you're using custom ROM. Now download the Orange Fox recovery zip file given under the video description. Place it in the platform tools folder of your PC where all the ADB drivers are installed. Next, unzip the Orange Fox recovery zip file. Here we are not interested in any other files. We have to just flash this recovery.img file. To do that, open the PowerShell window in the same folder by pressing the shift key of your keyboard plus right click of your mouse and select Open PowerShell window here from the drop down menu. Now in the CMD window, type ADB devices on your phone. You will get this prompt, accept it. In the same window, now we will see your device ID. Now you are good to go. After device got detected, type ADB reboot bootloader. Now type next command ADB reboot bootloader. Your device will boot into this screen. Here you will see your device bootloader is unlocked. Now to flash the Orange Fox recovery, type next command fastboot boot and drag the recovery.img file in the same window and hit enter. You will see flashing of new recovery was started in the CMD. Once flashing gets done, device will automatically boots to this new Orange Fox recovery screen. Next step we have to do is to tap on the hamburger menu present on the right side of Orange Fox recovery. Next, tap on the More option, then select option Flash Current Orange Fox Recovery by using the bottom slider bar. In this way, we have installed the Orange Fox Recovery permanently on our device. Now to check if it's booting correctly back in the recovery, tap Reboot option, then select Reboot to Recovery once again. So phone booted back to the Orange Fox Recovery. So our installation is successful. Now we will again reboot our device into the stock OS, so tap on the reboot and select reboot to system. So my device was booted to pixys OS Android 14 based custom ROM. Once again we will check out is our device booting back into the recovery or not as a permanently. For that you can use the advanced reboot option and reboot your device into the recovery. So here again I will do it and my phone booted back to the Orange Fox recovery successful. In the whole process we don't need to format our data, so we will not lose any kind of data while flashing the Orange Fox recovery. You have to follow all the video steps to confirm your Orange Fox recovery installation was successful or not. Now we will see what are the features available in the Orange Fox recovery. On the left right corner we will get the file manager where all the files of your device with the folders are available. If you want to flash any kind of zip file, then tap on the file. Here I will flash the magic26.4 zip file. Just tap on the file and slide the bottom bar to flash the file. In similar way, you can flash any kind of ROMs files using the same installation method. In the future, developer will release the recovery flashable zip files, but currently most of the custom ROM developers are creating fastboot flashable images. You can flash any kind of mod using the same flashing process. Using the next backup tab, you can take the backup of all your internal storage and settings, and it can be restored later. Beside that, you get the delete button. Here you can wipe your Dalvik cache, data, internal storage, or you can also format your data similar like TWRP recovery. Under the hamburger menu, we will get lots of options like mount all partitions. If you are using the Magics, then you can use the Magics as a core option, and you will get all the list of modules installed on your device under the modules option available under the Magics Manager setting. If your ROM provider is providing the option to flash the ROM using the ADB sideload, then you can get the option to do the ADB sideload here also. Orange Fox add-on option gives the multiple option to install the Magics or uninstall it, take a backup of Orange Fox recovery settings and many more. Under the more setting, who gets the terminal illuminator to control the superuser access without booting into the OS. We also get the app manager to uninstall any kind of application installed on your phone using the inbuilt uninstaller. Orange Fox Recovery is one of its kind, which has bunch of different customizations and options to use the recovery as per your requirement. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my work. Then please do like and share this video. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content, because in next video we will bring the TWRP recovery for you. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.